In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Cache Keywords database for finding the highest paying keywords within Google AdSense. So the first thing I'll do is click on Lenses and choose the AdSense lens. Now, because we're looking for the highest paying keywords, I'll go ahead and click on High under this bid quality field and then click Search. So you can see 1,000 results were returned that have a very high average bid price and a very high bid quality score. But again, as I mentioned in the previous videos, when you see 1,000 here, that means we have more keywords in our database that fit your search criteria. So in other words, we have a lot more high-paying keywords in our database for AdSense. Now, a lot of keyword tools rely on just the average bid price in terms of finding high-paying keywords for AdSense, but this is not reliable enough. Here we use a bid quality column where we analyze the bid price in AdWords at a variety of positions. And when the bid price remains higher across the various positions we check, we have a greater confidence that we found the higher paying keyword. For example, I'll switch to the AdSense Bid Analyzer tool, and here you can see I already analyzed a list of keywords, and the one I have highlighted here has a high top bid price, and if I average these prices up, the average would be fairly high. But as you work your way down the positions in AdWords, the price drops considerably. So we cannot be sure this is a high-paying keyword phrase. And so checking the bid prices across a variety of positions is something we not only do in the AdSense Bid Analyzer tool here, but also for the keywords in our Cache Keywords database. So the keyword phrases here, if I look at this column and see a full green bar, that means we have a greater level of confidence that they are high-paying keyword phrases. And as I scroll down, the bar still remains fairly high since we checked the high criteria here. So again, these are keyword phrases really worth considering for higher AdSense payouts. And like in the other videos, I keep mentioning using the Cache Keywords database as a starting point. If you like some of the phrases here, copy them, select them, copy them, and then plug them into the AdSense Bid Analyzer tool to analyze them further. That's really your safest bet. Anyway, continuing on, we can go ahead and tweak our results here. For example, I can increase my confidence in terms of finding high-paying AdSense keywords by setting the AdWords competition field to high, and I'll press search. And we can also set an average bid price threshold here, though that's not as important since we have this bid quality column to rely on, which is the most accurate indicator here. Now we can also narrow down our results to a certain niche or industry by entering a keyword here or choosing a category over here. So if I'm interested in the mortgage category, maybe I have a site about mortgage loans, I'll go ahead and search on that. And here you can see all kind of mortgage related terms that have good bid quality score and a strong average bid price. And I could also remove this and narrow down my results to a certain industry. So for example, I can choose something like financial services and credit reporting and repair. And here I have a variety of keywords worth considering. Notice that there are also fields for searches per day and number of results, since it's handy to look for high-paying keywords that get searched on. So you can set a minimum threshold here, like say 10, and keywords that have a lower number of competing pages in Google. So maybe I'll go for something under 5,000. And so here you can see we have some higher paying long tail keywords that have some searches with a lower number of competing results. And of course you can go back and remove this restriction here and do this across our entire database. And maybe I'll increase this to say 15,000. And you can continue tweaking these values until you find some high-paying keywords worth targeting based on what you do, whether it's SEO, arbitrage with PPC, or something else. Well, that about wraps up this video. Since the AdSense lens provides a really fast and easy way to find the highest-paying keywords across a variety of industries, there's not much more I need to say here. The only thing to remember is once you find keywords here, be sure to run them through the AdSense Bid Analyzer, which will give you the most recent metrics from Google, along with the more detailed bid analysis. Now in tomorrow's video, I'll show you the e-commerce lens, where we can find keywords with a higher online commercial intent based on the types of shopping sites that Google serves up within their page 1 results. We'll see you then.